continue from where we stopped before it crashed. Or let's see what we have here. Let's open it. Let's drag this up small so you can see. So we had this before it crashed.
About to see a race between a man and his dog.
This is where it's crashed.
Get set, ready, go.
Okay, let's add the this one. Okay.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Okay, it's too okay. Let's reduce the volume again. Entire clip, take it to 30%, and let's see. Let's hear it again.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Okay, it is too long. Reduce it. Now let's bring the dog, the backing of the dog, put it somewhere here. So when the dog appear, okay, like this. Okay.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Okay, this one too is too long. So I hope now we have done a perfect job. Let's bring our last sound, which is the background music. Let's crop it to suit our length. Okay, let's reduce the volume to 10. Okay, now let's listen to it. Okay.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Okay. So let's change the voice over the clip, the background clip. Low the volume, take it to 10, reduce the length by cropping it. Okay, now let's listen to it.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Okay, this is okay. Let's export it. Go to export, or alternatively you can just click this one here, change the name to project number 5. You can change the settings if you know what you want. You can change the settings here or leave it like that. You can change this if you know what you want. All these settings, if you know it, you know what it means, you change them. Okay, browse to, let's browse our folder. which is this. Okay, now export the video. You can see the speed. Okay, it is done. Now let's go and see our project. This is it, project number 5. Let's play it and see.
You are about to see a race between a man and his dog. On your mark, get set, ready, go.
Perfect. You can see. So that is the export. We have exported this. You can adjust it the way you want. So there's no let's say there's no good or bad in this. It depends on what you want. So go through it, play with the settings, and do more. So thank you for watching. This is the end of the project. See you in the bonus lesson.